সকাল হলো সকালে, আমি উঠলাম এই জাস্ট দুপুরে, বাইরে বাড়ছে তাপ। সো গাইজ, এই ঝোলা ম্যাগি না খেয়ে চলো লেটস মেক সাম BEA বিউটিফুল রেস্টুরেন্ট স্টাইল চিকেন চাপ। চলো লেটস গো।
So first guys, we are going to make the marinade for the chicken chop. For that we are going to need 50 grams of cashew nuts, 50 grams of chaar magaj and 25 grams of poppy seed guys, or posto. Now we are going to soak it for at least 15 to 20 minutes before making it into a fine paste. একদম মিহি ভাবে পেস্ট করে নিতে হবে guys. In a fresh bowl, we are going to add that nut paste followed by onion paste. Now here I have taken 4 onions. Next we are going to add a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, Kashmiri red chilli powder guys, and salt to taste. Followed by 200 grams of tok doi or yogurt. Next we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sattu or roasted gram flour and 2 tablespoons of keora water and half a tablespoon of garam masala powder. Whisk it really nice guys, because this is the marinade in which the chickens are going to take a deep bath. Here I have the chickens guys. I have around 1.5 kgs of chicken. আমি 1.5 kg chicken নিয়েছি, each weighing around 100 grams. Take your wonderful marinade and put it all over the chicken guys. Make sure each and every piece of chicken gets drenched in the marinade. And one more thing guys, ek tuo marinade waste korbe na, because there are 3 kinds of seeds and nuts in it. Cashew nut is pretty expensive guys, so do not waste a single drop of marinade. Now ekhane I was trying to show you all that ami khub hygienically korte bhalobashi, but I gave up guys. I had to use my hand because the marinade needs to go into each and every crevices of the chicken pieces, otherwise you will not get the perfect restaurant style chop. So let the chicken marinate for at least an hour. More is fine, but not less than an hour. So after 1 hour of marination, we are going to need a vessel or a pot which is flat from the bottom and has a good surface area guys. Karon chicken chop bananor jonno you need to put the chickens in one single layer guys. Jodi ekta chicken arektar opore uthe jay, you cannot cook it guys. It will not cook properly karon chicken chop is cooked on a very low flame. Now here I have used vegetable oil because I'm already gaining weight and I don't want to gain any more weight. Now if you all want, you can substitute it with dalda and add a bit of ghee for flavor. It's up to you guys. Now we have to layer the chicken in one single layer guys. So guys, if y'all are liking the video, then you know guys what is coming your way. Absolutely right guys, I'm gonna beg for subscriptions. So guys, if you're really liking the video, then only subscribe to my channel, press the red button and also the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a video you get notified guys. And yes, I will be uploading videos and recipes regularly for you guys, and become a permanent family member of the Bong Baker. Now pour all the remaining marinade guys, because we are going to need some gravy. We do not want the chop to be dry AF. So we are going to put all the marinade in and just mix it once guys before we lower the flame and cover it with a lid. Take the lid out and just look at it guys, it has already started releasing the oils. Make sure সব সময় খেয়াল রাখবে যে it's on a low flame guys. Next we are going to add some drops of meetha attar that will enhance the flavor guys, and just look at this beauty. We are gonna finish it with some garam masala powder. That's it. It's such an easy recipe guys. Now an important tip guys, যখনই তোমরা cook করবে, make sure to baste the chicken with the oil that gets collected at one side of the pot. It will make sure your chicken doesn't dry out. That's it guys, just plate it up. Pour some gravy on it, and I'm already salivating doing the voiceover even. And have it with some beautiful butter garlic naan, biryani or whatever you wish for. It's an amazingly easy recipe guys, so do try it at home and let me know in the comment section how was it. Cheers guys, have a great day ahead.